Hey there, we're going to be installing the quad lock motorcycle fork stem mount. Mine is for a Pixel 3 XL, but they're pretty much standard across the board. So you have two options. They come in two different sizes. This one comes pre-installed. I think this is roughly closer to the 12 millimeter point. I think they say up to or down to I just lost one of my screws. Down to 12.7 millimeters, and then upwards to I can't remember off the top of my head. 24 millimeters. And basically what you do is this fits into your fork stem, and you tighten the screw, and these expand and they hold your phone in place with the mount. Now that I'm back on track and I found my missing screw, basically what you do is the whole mount itself, measure it out, pick which one you need. Of course, I'm using the one that comes pre-installed, 2000 Suzuki GSX-R 750, so it fits roughly closer to that 12 millimeter mark. Okay, so we will tighten our screw. Want it nice and snug. Get it lined up where you think it's going to be center. Now the way this comes is I believe you have to pop this little guy off. And this fits just over top of that set screw. And then you have your mount piece. This actually swivels in two different points. So you have your top piece, and the bottom piece fits in with the screw that happens to always get lost on me. Okay. So I don't even know why I'm making a video. I know some people have problems with this. I don't know why. It's super easy to install as long as you're not losing the screws. See? Once you have it where you want it, you would tighten it up completely. So you could have it running up here, down here. You could actually do this and have it closer to you if you want. I might be able to do that, but I won't be able to show you my phone mounted up to it just because my phone is in the case. So it's pretty sturdy there. And then we'll go ahead and tighten this one. So, you know, this can all come apart as well, and you can add in different accessories like a USB charger and whatnot. So what it works is the lever system is your first stage, and then you have the piece. So you actually have your phone case, and it's imprinted into your phone case to fit onto there, and then it locks in through the lever mechanism as well. So yeah, that's it. Super easy to install. Maybe I'll take a couple photos of just the case sitting in the mount. And yeah. If you like what you see here, like, follow, subscribe. Reaper's Rides on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. It's all the same tag. Reaper's Rides, REAPERZRIDES. Alright, see you later.